So I have two superb gems from 2007. One with P mint mark, one no, so it doesn't have P, but it's from Philadelphia as it has no mint mark. The other one is from Denver. Both of them at excellent condition with glowing red luster, very vibrant red luster, and sharply struck motifs. All details are needle sharp, and obviously it was struck by a fresh die and pulled out of circulation maybe very early, but I guess it was inside, it was bought inside mint cello, therefore kept very nice as it was the first day it was struck. Let me zoom in further. Okay. You see the statue is very clear and all details, even its tiniest details are sharply struck. Coin displays very contactless surfaces, just few minor contact marks maybe, and some of them are on the window of the holder, not the actual coin, so don't get confused. We have some plating blisters, but tiny, which is normal thing for copper plated zinc sands, as you get such blisters starting from 1982 because they shifted to copper plated sands rather than pure copper sands as used to be. Therefore, during the plating you get some such blisters due to some improper annealing or something like that. You see, surfaces of the fields are very beautiful and devoid of contact marks. Just several bag marks and ticks here, one tick here over the two, and it is I think on a slab of a window, not a coin. Even VDB is the initials of engraver, very beautiful and readable. Now let's check the other 2007 P. It's also sharply boldly struck. Vibrant red luster show up on each side, and we have some cartwheel effect as well. Here we have linear blisters, plating blisters. But it's as compared to this first one, the demon with demon mark, it has a little more ticks than previous one. Nevertheless, it's very, it has excellent eye appeal, I think. Now let's find out their approximate value. They're not valuable because they're relatively modern pennies produced in large quantities. But nevertheless, superb gems are always rare and valuable, especially high-end gems. But I know that it's not high-end gem because I bought it just for several. How much I paid it for it? I think I paid nearly around $5 or so in local coin shop. But they don't have grading system. They don't grade the coins, therefore sometimes you get even excellent gems for cheap amounts. But nevertheless, let's check 2007 Lincoln and D and P. So here we have the coin information for the red specimen, and you have the featured coin is MS68 red superb gem. Look at this wonderful texture, an outstanding texture. How beautiful it was struck, and the quality of the planchet as well. Surfaces are clear of large contact marks, therefore it deservedly got MS68 grade from PCGS. Okay, let's see. The mintage was massive, 3.7 billion, around 3.7 billion. And as I told before, it's copper plated zinc sand, so we have less copper as compared to sands produced before 1982. So the submissions mainly starts from 65 MS65, and the price guide is around $10. So I think my coin is something between 65 and 66, so something between $10 and $20 worth. But you see, even the actual price is formed according to supply and demand, therefore we get even less amounts here. $6, $6, $18 different years. So it becomes scarce. Population drops after MS67 plus, and also price surge. MS67 PCGS has 212 submissions overall, and the highest bid was $230, and it was many years ago. But the high-end grade is MS68. It's something around $1,400, and no sale realized yet, and just only 5 submissions so far at PCGS, and non-certified finer than that, neither numerically nor with plus designation. The highest high-end key date is key grade is MS68. So if you somehow achieve MS69 grade, can be the sole owner of such coin, and such coin may get a huge premium, equaling a big treasure. at auction. Now let's go to 2007D. It was so the 2070 is much more coins, much more vintage. 3.6 billion, around 3.6 billion. So even here we have lesser amounts as compared to other dates. In mint state 64 it's $7, around $7, 65 $10, 66 $15. MS67 submissions are 213 and guiding price is $37, but actual listings on the when checking actual listings of sales, we see $20, $42, $431, but the closer the date, the lower the price. So it means that somehow these submissions increased, therefore price dropped. It is something related to supply and demand before. So if they would update the guiding price, I think it would be less than 37, maybe something 30, 35 or so. And superb gem here is also MS68 and guiding price is $1,050, but sometimes they are very lazy to update information. According to them, no specimen was sold, no MS68 specimen was sold, but sometimes we get other contrary information from great collections. Let's check out. Let's go to Modern Sense 2007D. Red. Yes, but it was correct. So no MS68 specimen was sold yet. But here we see actual listings. So even in MS67 red, for instance, the most recent sale we have here, we have August 2024, and it was sold for just $26 in this superb gem condition. So therefore the Philadelphia issue is much scarcer than the Denver issue, because in Philadelphia we had much higher amounts, much higher premiums. Okay, let me check Gmail again. Nothing from you guys, so you can send your coin pics here. We can evaluate and tell you whether they are rare or not. Also Skype is available. So here we have another rare penny. It is sold, I think it's recently sold at Great Collections auction. Let's see where it was. Yeah, it's very recent sale. It's October sale, and it fetched thousands of dollars. So it's proof coin. This is obviously a proof gem in PR 66 plus grade, and it was proven by CAC as well. Here we have CAC sticker for its Excelsior among its peers. Very beautiful gem. So in 1936 they had two varieties, brilliant and satin finish. So this is a brilliant finish, 1936 proof gem in red, sold for $8,606.25 with buyer's fee. So if you have 1936 proof, it is, you must know that it is extremely valuable coin today. But if it is authenticated by a well-known and authentic grading service like BCGS, NGC, or ANX. And CAC's sticker is another plus, adding to the overall value and price of the coin. These CAC stickered coins are collected especially by how they call it, condition rarity collectors or something. So when those who collect only high-end gems, especially high-end gems,